Dear friends, Namaste. My name is Arun Gangur. I am the founder of Cosmic Eye Brain Academy, Karnataka. We are basically giving our service in the areas of mind programming, brain activation, DMIT, that is fingerprint analysis, and counseling services. And apart from that, we are even working on longer spiritual trainings, and we are even launching our program in the areas of pregnant women training. Friends, as we all know that today's biggest problem of mankind is stress. This stress is coming from various direct and indirect sources, which could be our career, our health, our financial problems, and they are actually responsible for again problems in these areas, that is again deterioration in health, and problem with the career, and mental and physical health is decaying. So this is, we are in a vicious cycle. So to avoid this stress and deal with it effectively, SIBA Karnataka and Swanubhava Healing Foundation has come up with a very effective 21 days training program. The Swanubhava means self-realization or self-experience. In this 21 days program, participants will be taken through very effective and proven methods like meditation, that is how understanding the meditation, benefits of meditation, and the participant will learn over 10 powerful meditations for health, peace and abundance. And then participant will be taken through reprogramming the power of subconscious mind, or understanding the power of subconscious mind and reprogramming it for success, a great success. We all know that we are programmed from since childhood, and because of many negative programmings, we are facing the problems in when we grow up as an adults. So this program enables person to understand the capacity of subconscious mind, which is actually responsible for taking 95% of the life's decision, and deprogramming the negative programs and reprogramming it with a new fresh positive programs, which will help us in achieving all areas of our life. Then for a better health and to keep our mind in control, the participant will be learning pranayama techniques, that is breathing techniques, which is very important to maintain physical and mental health. And along with these things, the participant will understand what is law of attraction. As you are aware, there are many laws in the universe which are working whether one believes them or not. For example, law of gravity. Whether we are able to see it or not, whether we believe it or not, it is constantly working. The same way, the law of attraction, which says like attracts like, is constantly working and responsible for many events in our life. So in this training program, the participant will understand how to make use of law of attraction, and participants will learn many tricks and tools which are helpful for the using law of attraction for all round success. So this is the brief about the program. If you are interested, you can approach us and get more clarity about the program and enroll yourself. So I welcome you all to take the maximum benefit of these programs and make your life stress free and happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Please contact on the numbers given in the ad for more information. Thank you again. Thank you very much.